Hey everyone, my name is Scott Chanel, and this is my airline profile presentation for Liberty University School of Aeronautics Aviation 355 Air Carrier Management. So in my presentation, I am going to do a breakdown of United Airlines. Our assignment was to discuss a carrier that you would like to work for in the future, potentially. United is one of the legacy airlines, and it would be a joy to work for them, I believe. So I decided to do a little more research and see some more details of their organization. And so this is what I found. We're going to talk about their market. We'll also discuss some of their service characteristics, the regulatory oversight that they have, some of their alliances and code-sharing partners. We'll look at their fleet structure, and finally we'll get a peek into their corporate culture that they have over at United Airlines. In this map, we can see where United flies. It's kind of difficult for me to get a picture of the entire globe with their locations, simply because it spans so many locations. But you can see that they have a lot of U.S. domestic flights. Additionally, they go to a lot of locations in Europe. There are several flights to Asia and Oceania, South America, and then you can also connect to Africa as well. So this is a pretty far-reaching airline globally. And so this is some of their service characteristics. The oversight that United has is going to be obviously the FAA and the ICAO. These two organizations do a lot of oversight for pretty much everyone. So the United Airlines does not fall outside of this. So they also are required to meet those regulations as well. United Airlines is a member of Star Alliance. Star Alliance is actually the world's largest global airline alliance. United was actually one of the founding 5 members of Star Alliance. And I found out, interestingly, that in December of 2020, Scott Kirby, who is the CEO of United Airlines, was actually elected chairman of the Star Alliance Chief Executive Board. So that one relationship really strengthens the relationship between United Airlines and the Star Alliance. So Star Alliance has 26 different airlines that are united together, and it's these 26 airlines here, just a massive alliance, and United was one of the originals. United's fleet structure, they actually have it broken down into 2 fleets. They have their mainline fleet, and then they have their regional fleet. Their mainline fleet is made up of a collection of Boeing aircraft and Airbus, and it totals around 835 as of the year end 2021. So additionally, in their regional fleet, year end 2021, they had 522 aircraft, from the CRJ up to the Embraer 175. And the regional is just a lot of the feeder routes for the main line for pilots, which is important to note if you want to begin working with United. You'll probably end up working in the regional fleet to get started. United also has a cargo operation, and they do some standard air freights. They also do The medical emergency equipment, you can ship your pet over United. They have animal transport and live cargo. They also have temperature controlled shipments. They will do funeral shipments, high value items with additional security, and then they also have hazardous material transportation, all a part of United's cargo sector. Finally, their corporate culture. United has actually been won an Equal Opportunity Award for over 10 years. And these are some additional awards that they've won and certifications that they qualify for, and also things that they do as a corporate culture they participate in, whether it's equal rights for women, LGBTQ, next gen. They try and be as diverse and inclusive as possible with their hiring and the personnel that they have included in their culture for their company. They're very passionate about that, and they on their website, if you're curious, they have a ton of different resources and ways that they impact their community that they work in and day out. Finally, these are some of the sources that I used to make this presentation. A lot were online on United's website, and then additionally our textbook as well for the class. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned a little bit about United and a little bit more about them. Looking forward to seeing y'all's presentations. See ya.